Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today's video is going to be a little different than you're used to. I'm in a crappy hotel in California, and I didn't want to miss putting a video out this week, so I'm doing the best I can with what I got. So what I got is no lights, no microphone, and no background. I brought a Mickey shirt. I don't even have the box. On top of that, the worst thing is I don't have any magical snaps. It doesn't do anything. So I was thinking outside the box, headed down to the front desk and asked them if they had a lost and found box I could take a look through and see if there's anything I could use. What I did find is an old clapper somebody left behind. So that's what we're gonna have to use today to find these items. So let's start by taking a look at the box. There it is. I'm looking at nothing, but we're gonna pretend. So you can see on the front of the box is a dude, and he's all dressed up for January. And he's got bubbles coming off of him, and he kind of has little hidden Mickeys if you look real close at the bubbles. So that's what's coming up right now. Okay, so let's get it open. There you go. So this is another birthday box. This is the bronze box. This one's for Mary. So the bronze box is $74.99 and free shipping. And we're going to take a look at what's inside. The first thing, obviously, is the monthly newsletter. You can have a look up here on the screen. So this just gives all the monthly updates and stuff like that. And then it has the color-coded price sheet on it, so that if you have a product that just has a color code, you can match that up with what the value is. You can see now that all of the confetti is beautiful, white and blue and silver, and has a very winter festive feel to it. All right, first product. It's a lanyard. So this is one side, it's reversible. One side is all Disney dogs, and the other side is the Disney cats. I can't talk either. Apparently I didn't bring that with me either. All right, the next thing we got, this is gonna get old real quick. It's the pin set, 6 pins. So it's a 6-pack, which is what I have. Very cute pins, all kitties really like this one very much, and it goes really well with the lanyard. All right, coming up, here we go. What do we got next? Oh, we've got Grumpy and Dopey socks. Those are very cute, and I'm positive that my daughter Camille is gonna steal those, and none of us will get to keep them, because she is all about the socks. Take a look at those. I'll put a better picture up on the screen for you here. All right, next product we've got. Let's take a peek. It's heavy, I can tell. Here it is. It's an Eeyore mug. Mary is gonna freak out. Mary already freaked out because she's the one that opened the box and sent me pictures of what was actually in it. So Mary has freaked out and is already enjoying her Eeyore mug with her coffee this morning. So yay! Next, we're gonna take a look at the legendary pouch. Check it out. I don't know if you can even... Inside the pouch is... It's the Magic at Your Doors pin series. This is something they started this year. They're doing a monthly pin that is absolutely free. It doesn't count as any of your value in your box. They just threw it in there, and they're made really well. They're very pretty, and I am very happy to have that. Thank you very much, Mike and 001. And last but not least, it's a red Jim Shore box. Let's take a look at what's inside of this. I can't even do that. You take a look at it on the screen. It's a Mickey! I'm so excited. This one's really cute. Mickey's hiding flowers behind his back for someone in particular, Minnie. And I really like the design on his ears. The purple and black checkers are very cute. I really love Jim Shore, especially Mickey's, and this is amazing. I absolutely love this one. And it's gonna be on the little shelf that is generally behind me, but isn't right now because I have cloudy California behind me. Alright, so I know that today was a short video. If you would like to take a look at last week's video, it was the Magic at Your Door Gold Box, which is $124.99. And also, if you would like to subscribe and get that $124.99 subscription, you can use our discount code. I'll put that right there. And that DD10 will give you $10 off your first subscription box. Give it a shot. Check out their Facebook group, Magic at Your Door. Lots of fun people and good things going on in there. And if you'd like to see the total for this box, so keep in mind this one cost us $74.99, including shipping. The total value of the products here, not including that pin, because that pin is for free. Total product, boop, right there. Absolutely worth it. I highly recommend Magic at Your Door. We have tried many subscription boxes, and this is by far my favorite. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, did I already say that? We started talking about it, but I changed the subject. It was the gold box. Take a peek at that video right here. And if you would like to subscribe to our channel, I promise it's not like this every week. It's usually a little better. Hit the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.